How to turn on or turn off customized Galaxy themes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, so you will see Galaxy Themes is here. If you want to turn off Galaxy theme from Customize Apps, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Galaxy theme is turn off from Customize Apps. If you want to turn on Galaxy theme from Customize Apps, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Galaxy theme is turn on from Customize app. You will turn on or turn off Galaxy theme from Customize app from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Galaxy themes from Customize app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.